I got my coffee early this morning. Whew. I'm tired. So tired. I better move it over here away from the desk so it's not on the desk. Hello and welcome to my channel. It's gonna be for anybody that's in a rush or hurry, needs to get in and out but still wants the coverage on their face. My face, you can see it definitely has acne and stuff. It has red spots and stuff everywhere. It's just very patchy. So no matter where I go, a lot of times I want to put something on real quick to hide some of that. So first you prime, and today I got out here the MAC. But this feels really creamy and nice. I like the way it feels on my face. Okay, and then you want like a full coverage foundation. So the Clinique Stay Matte, this is pretty full coverage for me that I have. I have quite a few actually that are full coverage, but they don't match my skin tone right now because I've been tanning all summer. So yeah, I got some color. So I'm going to use my Clinique foundation, but you use whatever full coverage works best for you. And this is Golden Neutral. But this is a good, like, I don't even think it's that expensive. Clinique is, I love a lot of their products. Okay, I'm gonna start putting this on. And this really takes away any of the color I have. Okay, and you want to make sure, where did I put it? The foundation, if you're just going to do foundation, you're in a rush, you want to hurry up and get out. You do, I mean, if you have time for quick concealer, I know that don't take too long to pat in, but use concealer if you want. If not, make sure you get the foundation good full coverage all around. Make sure it's even, done, looking good. Like my biggest area is under here is always really red and it gets really oily. So that's why I use matte foundations. So yeah, I'm not going to use concealer. I gotta get out the door, you know. Gotta hurry. No. But you want like a setting powder. Right? I really like to match my foundation. Well, to match my foundation, I have the Clinique. But this is a powder foundation and concealer. But this is good. You're quick out the door, ready to go. All you have to do, get that foundation on, pat it in, kabuki it in, whatever you do. People, you know, your opinion on what you want, what works best. Take a big fluffy brush. This is the JH01, so soft and fluffy. But anyway, and just get a quick coverage. Just quick. Everything always depends on your skin type. If you're dry, you definitely don't want too much powder. Like my skin, it looks good. Okay. Next, if you want to do blush, you can do quick blush. Some people prefer blush, some don't. You know, blush is just one of those things. Some days it's like, heck yeah. Some days it's like, why? But I'm just gonna use Rock Tar. Just hurry it, put it on the apples of your cheeks and blend up. This is a very subtle. I like this one. It's not too bright. It's just not, it's perfect. Eyebrows. Comb them out real quick. Now, if you're like me, look at my eyebrows. Not so bad. Like, I can get away with a gimme brow. And that's a quick and easy, fast brow. A little brow. But if you have to fill in your brows, you better fill them in real quick. You just... This one is like super simple and easy. Color in and just put it away. Move on to the next thing. Now, if you have to fill in your brows, you can hurry up and fill them in. Do whatever you need to, but I don't personally have to. Okay, so eyes, eyeshadow, mascara. Ain't bring my mascara out here, but so for the eyeshadow, I got the Urban Decay 2. Well, I've had this, but this is what I'm using today. Now, if you want to do a quick, easy eyeshadow, you want to do it simple, easy, quick. Maybe a few colors. So you first prime your eyelid real quick, or you can lay your foundation as a primer, or if you concealed real quick, because you need to hide those bags like I need to. You can put that on real quick. Rub it in your eyes so you're not digging for your eye primer later. Moving on. I'm going to take the JH30 and I'm going to take Booty Call out of the Urban Decay 2. That's going to be my base. So I'm just going to put that all over real quick to kind of... Okay, so next, but I'm going to take JH31 and I'm going to pick a crease color. I'm just going to pick, let me see, I don't want something too crazy because I want to be able to hurry up, blend, and get out the door. So I really probably should only be doing about 2 colors, but I'm going to do 3 so I have a crease so it doesn't look too crazy. Tease, I'm just going to go on my crease. That's pretty. I like all neutral colors. Looks really good, but so. Oh my gosh, what brush did I just have? JH31. Make sure that's blended. Then take your big fluffy brush, go back in with Booty Call. Did I use Booty Call or Foxy? I think I used Booty Call. And blend that out real quick. Just at the top up there. And then I'm gonna pick one more color because you know we gotta get out the door, you want something fast. So I'm gonna take my JH33 and I'm gonna choose Copper. It's like a shimmery purple kinda. These are kinda like purpley-ish, grayish colors. I'm just gonna put that all over. Just right here. Let me take my Eco Tools brush, dip it in copper real quick. See if it gets more, yeah, gets more shimmery. But you just want to do right here. Ah. A quick, look at that. Yeah, there is a difference, definitely. That's a quick, easy eyeshadow. Use 2-3 colors and move on because you still got to do your mascara. So I'm going to do my other eye real quick. So let me do that real quick. Okay, now I got both of my eyeshadow bases done. I'm gonna you can curl your lashes if you want. Like, look at my lashes right now. I seriously have like nothing because we got married. It's been 3 weeks now. And I got eyelash extensions for the wedding. I actually got them like a month before, and then I went a a couple of days before the wedding actually, and got them done again. Well, after we got married, like a week later, my left eye, swollen, itchy. I couldn't stop itching it. It got so swollen. So I don't know if the eyelash got in there or what, but I ended up having to take them all off. And I tried oil. I couldn't really, they weren't sliding off or nothing. So I kind of had to take tweezers and mess with them. And a lot of times when I would get it out, my eyelash would come with it and break my eyelash, and they're still growing back. It's probably gonna be a long time, and they probably ain't gonna be the way they used to be, because I actually had pretty good lashes. I really did. Okay, I'm using the L'Oreal mascara. Yeah, let me see. Seriously, my bottom lashes are longer than my top lashes. Once I turn the video off, I'm gonna have to put some false lashes on, definitely. But if you're pretty good at eyelashes, then you can put them on. You got time, do it. That's for sure. I'm not the best. I'm good, but I'm definitely not fast. Like, I'm gonna turn off my eyelashes for a little bit. But anyways, so last step. My eyes are done with what, you know, barely little freaking eyelashes I have. So I'm gonna set my face. I got the Morphe today. This is a really good one, but I think it Urban Decay keeps me from getting oily a lot longer. The Morphe one, I was using it forever. It's like almost gone. It smells good, super light. Oh, I love this, but I swear I get oily faster, but I don't know if it's the spray or just the products I use or not. But very good, very inexpensive. Like, this is way, I believe it's like way cheaper than the Urban Decay. But yeah, so I'm gonna set my face. And it, oh, it just smells so good. Very good. Oh, I love that thing. The Urban Decay doesn't really have that, like, a smell. I just feel like I'm spraying kind of water on my face, but I love it. But at first, that's why I never really used it, because the first time I used it, I was just like, ugh. But I think the Morphe one got my attention because it smells so good. Like, I want to smell good all day, you know? But anyways, you can put on a lip product. That's pretty fast. I don't have the best lips, but it's a really nice color, y'all. This is the Honeydew Viva Plump, the buxom. Should ask my Google Home how to say it. But anyway, this is the completed look. You know, I'm gonna have to put some false lashes on to make myself look a little better, because I have like no lashes. But yeah, I use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products, which is pretty fast, and you can make it faster if you do not need full coverage, or you don't really have to do the foundation and the powder. I do. I need the full coverage. I need the powder, some kind of powder on my face. It doesn't even have to be this powder. It can be a translucent powder or something, so my oil stays intact. And yeah, you don't even have to put on a lip product. I mean, you could easily do 5 products, but it's up to you what you want to do. And if you're fast doing something else, adding a few other things, you can. But this is a really quick, simple, not all out. That's you don't have to bronze every day and highlight. It just depends what you want. People and girls in middle school and high school that are already wearing makeup, it's a good routine for them. It's fast and simple, and not all out there. I'm not carving out my cheekbones or nothing. But anyway, so I did put lashes on real quick because, you know, I don't have any. But anyways, yes, look, it's simple, fast. But yeah, and the lashes I use, just in case you want to know, these are kind of more natural though too. Dry Kiss Lash even says look so natural. But these are, I bought these from Ulta. They were on sale, I believe. are super thin. So when you take them out, you want to make sure you're using tweezers and you're really pinching from the outside corner and ripping it off, because the first pair I used, whew, they like totally just came all apart. Couldn't even use it. Fair warning if you do get that kind. But I love Kiss lashes. A lot of them, they look so natural and not dramatic, which is what I usually go for in a lash. But anyways, this is a finished look. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Coffee? It's all gone now.